Hi, my name is Zeshan Malik. I'm 19 and I've been working with the filter for the last 2 years now. The reason why I joined the filter was because I want to pursue a career which involves helping people. Ever since I've joined the Filter Wales, I've been helping deliver workshops alongside the development team across Wales. One of the highlights for me working at the filter would be when I was given the opportunity to help the filter carry out their event known as Filter the Future. Big opportunity for me because I just passed my training just before that, and I got the chance to take part in such a big event. Join the filter, guys. Some excellent staff here, really friendly, really approachable, and obviously there's something new to learn every day over here. Filter's an excellent team with very friendly members. But they have the reason why I got involved. Okay, can we just do that question all over again? I'm so sorry.
Right.
Yeah, we take props and talk to the public and the people. Public and people, the exact same thing. I can't do that. I need to laugh myself.